Hi my friends, hello and happy Sunday. If you want to learn how the breathwork can help you to balance the hormones, specifically the cortisol, how you can be more productive, focused, energized, can get better sleep and more energy, and overall general more grounding, more balance in your life. If you're a woman after 40 and 50, if you're experiencing some of the symptoms of perimenopause and menopause, I highly suggest that you register for my complimentary session for how to plan for 2023 to be more healthier, happier, and more relaxed. So we're gonna dive deep in the 3 steps that can help you to elevate the symptoms of perimenopause and menopause, such as hot flashes, night sweats, anxiety, depression, lack of focus, brain fog, tiredness, and so much more that you can experience if you're going through this transition period. I'm going to teach you how to connect better in your body, your mind, and you're going to plan for 2023 to be in your best health, because as you know, the health is the foundation to achieve all your goals for 2023. So aim for high level health and to be in the better health, to be able to achieve all your goals and to be really in high performer. So I will put the link later in this video when you can register for this complimentary session. It's gonna happen this Wednesday at 5 p.m. Pacific time. I hope to see you there. Stay healthy, be happy. I see you soon.